Very good evening to you guys. This is Anju God. You might know me by the name of Tarot Anjali. I have another channel, and now on this channel, I am the Modern Sannyasini. You can find me on Instagram as well by the same name, the Modern Sannyasini. I'll be there for you guys. Okay. Now the thing is that if you are new to my channel, I am Anju God, and I'm a tarot card reader, soul journey reader, Osho's and tarot card reader, and Ho'oponopono and inner child therapist, Ho'oponopono healer, Lama Fera healer, and a lot more, and an Osho meditation facilitator. And these days, I'm on my spiritual path, and I am like learning from my own experiences, and I am just telling you guys with my experiences, with my knowledge, with my wisdom that I gained from a lot of books, a lot of knowledge, a lot of experiences while I'm on the journey of healing myself. But from all of these things, Ho'oponopono is something that helped me to change my life, like from the roots, okay, to heal myself from the roots. And now I am whatever I am because of Ho'oponopono, because um, I am doing it from quite a long time now, and now I know what I'm doing and what I'm saying. So you can rely on me while you are doing Ho'oponopono or you have any queries about Ho'oponopono. Today we are going to talk about advanced Ho'oponopono. What is the difference between basic and advanced Ho'oponopono? I have seen a lot of people making fool of other people, making fool of innocent people by saying we are going to teach you advanced Ho'oponopono. This is going to change your life. This is something different. This is something totally different. Marketing gimmicks, these are nothing. Their intentions are super stupid. They are, all they want is to like earn money out of making people fool, and that is the most stupid thing that you can do with somebody else as a soul. And I highly recommend not to get blindsided by those kind of people, those kind of energies who are trying to make you fool by saying advanced Ho'oponopono is something different and it is going to be totally life changing. Nothing. There's no difference. I'm telling you the difference now. Basic Ho'oponopono is where we say four phrases: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, to, let's say, maybe some person, some situation, some things. We just take the name of that person, that situation, that thing. Let's say you're having a broken computer, your computer is not working, software is not working, okay, and you're trying to sort it out, sort this problem out. So you might say, dear computer, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You are saying it to the computer, but you're healing your energies only. In both the cases, you are healing your own energies only. You are not like healing the energy of the computer. It's, there's nothing, no outside force that you are healing, no computer that you are healing. It's actually your energies connected to the computer. You are worried, your stressful energies connected to the computer that you're healing within yourself. You are going to find yourself in a peaceful way, peaceful condition. Then you will be able to sort out the problem of the computer as well. It's not like your computer, like you are talking to the computer. You are still talking to the higher self. You are still talking to the universe. You are still connected with the like a superpower, right? You are still like healing your own energies. Okay, so in basic Ho'oponopono, we use four phrases: I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. You can use these phrases in whatever order you want. You can say I love you first, you can say I'm sorry first, you can say please forgive me first. Does not matter. You can't do it wrong. Just can't do it wrong. Okay, don't worry too much about it, and don't get stuck on the numbers. Oh my god, I have to say it 108 numbers only, that number only, this number only. Please don't do that. You can start for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You can give yourself a task of, okay, I'm going to do it 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, until you feel better, until you feel at peace. I use the mala, I use the beads 108 times because I feel like I'm connected to the beads. That's it, nothing. Don't get obsessed with the idea of numbers, idea of, oh my god, advanced Ho'oponopono is something different, I'm doing it wrong, oh my god, this is going to happen, that is going to happen. You just can't do Ho'oponopono wrong. Whenever you feel anxious or stressed out, just start saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you to nobody. It will start automatically healing your anxiety, healing your energies, and bring you at peace. Just keep doing that. Keep doing that. Don't forget, every time you are doing it, you are just healing your own part, right? Nobody else, no outside force, no outside person, no outside thing, no outside energy. We all are energy, but in Ho'oponopono, we are just healing our own self. No matter it's basic, you call it advanced or whatever. So basic Ho'oponopono is using the four phrases: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, for people, things, situations, or whatever. You can just like take the name of the person, the situation, or dear anxiety, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Dear fear, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Dear Joan, I'm really sorry, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. If you have a person in your life, just gave you a few example that you're healing the situation, but you are externally you are healing the situation, but internally you are just healing yourself only, whatever you call it. Now listen to me very carefully. In advanced Ho'oponopono, we create a script, we create an elaborative form of Ho'oponopono. So let's say, for example, I'm having a rift with a person named John, right? Now what I'm going to do is, in the basic one, I was just saying, dear John, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Although I'm verbally saying it to John, but I'm healing my own part in the situation. In both the cases, I'm taking responsibility of my part in the situation and healing myself, healing my own energies. The peace that is going to be within me is going to create peace in John's energies as well, because we all are energies at the end of the day. In basic, dear John, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Repeat it as many as time. In advance, okay, dear universe, I take responsibility of this situation showing up in my life. I know this is a part of me that attracted this situation in me, in my life. I take 100% responsibility of healing this situation and letting it go and surrender to the divine. Whatever is going to happen for my highest good, for the highest good of this situation. I'm sorry for consciously or unconsciously attracting this situation towards me. Please forgive me for not being able to understand what in me is attracting this kind of energy towards me again and again. Maybe all the time I'm attracting this kind of factor of having a relationship issue with John. Okay, thank you for letting me know, for making me aware of this situation coming back to me again and again, and helping me to let it go completely. Okay, I love you for giving me this opportunity to give it back to the universe and heal the situation properly. From this point onwards, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to do it regularly, and this is my part, this is my job, this is my responsibility to heal the situation, because this is me who is attracting these kind of energies towards me. Just give you an example. You don't have to follow exact steps, exact words blindly. You can make your own script very easily, and follow that. Now, in basic Ho'oponopono, just say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Just do that, right? In advance, you just take the 100% responsibility. You make sure that you are saying it, that you are taking 100% responsibility of the situation showing up in your life. This is something in you that attracted that kind of energy towards you, and you are responsible for healing that situation. You are not responsible for attracting that situation or creating that situation. You are responsible for healing that situation and letting it go and surrender to the divine. Yeah. Now you can do it I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Normal. You can do it with the script, elaborative script that I told you, right? Don't get obsessed with the idea of, okay, I have to do it like this only or like that only, I'm doing it wrong, oh my god, this is bad, this is sad. No, both ways Ho'oponopono is going to work. Your intention is the one which matters here. Your intention is to heal your connection with John, then your connection is going to be healed, no matter how you're going to say it. Even if you're just going to say, dear universe, help me to heal my connection with John. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. John, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Or you can say, dear universe, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Or you can say the elaborative script that I just told you. That's completely up to you. Don't get obsessed with the idea of advanced Ho'oponopono is something different. Oh my god, that is something different. I should do something else. I'm doing it wrong. I have seen people panicking, getting anxiety attacks because they feel they're doing something wrong in Ho'oponopono. You just can't do it wrong. Hear me out. Say it louder. Please send this video to as many people possible, as many souls possible, because a lot of people are getting nervous, confused, anxious about the idea of basic or advanced Ho'oponopono. Basic is just saying simple phrases, okay, to people, things, situations, or anybody, right? Anything, anybody, fear, like a person or situation, a table, anybody, right? And advance is just having an elaborative script and taking the 100% responsibility that you are the person, you are the soul that attracted that situation in your life, so you are the part of the problem and you should heal it. In both the cases we are doing the same anyway. We are the part of the problem, we are the part of the situation, and we should take the responsibility of healing the situation, although we are not responsible for the situation itself. Hear me out clearly. We should take the responsibility of healing the situation, and we have to, otherwise the healing is not going to be there properly. Okay, both the cases, it's just the matter of you using the four phrases only and elaborating the script, making it a whole script, and then doing it, saying it. That's it. That's it. I have seen people making it a huge deal, making fool of people. Oh my God, use advanced Ho'oponopono. I'm going to give you classes on advanced Ho'oponopono. I'm going to give you script on advanced Ho'oponopono, and you can see the magic. Basic is nothing. Basic is just basic. It's not going to work. It's not going to help. See, let me tell you one thing. If you are going to do something with this energy of, okay, let's do this. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. And you're going to do something with this energy of, oh my God, I have to do this, so universe, please help me. The energy that I am going to do that, the energy, the intensity, the way, the feelings, the way you are going to do it matters. Okay, not how you do it. You do it, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You do it by elaborating the thank you, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Doesn't matter. You're just explaining to the universe your problem. You're just taking a part. You're just humble enough. You're just grounded enough to connect with the universe. The universe knows everything anyway, right? You don't have to do it. It's just about the intensity and the feelings and the kind of energy we are sending back to the universe in order to get a situation healed properly. That's it, honey. That's it. Yeah, you don't have to worry all the time about, oh my God, because I got so sick. I got so worried about this factor when I started doing that. And then I took multiple classes, I read multiple books, including Dr. Joe Vitale. I did their workshop as well. Then I read Mabel Katzman very, very thoroughly. Then I took her workshop, online workshops. They're quite costly, and not that much costly though, but yeah, quite costly. And then I took several workshops, I guess in some Indian teachers as well, authors as well. Then I'm learning it from Dr. Karishma Ahuja, one of the most authentic one in India, Dr. Karishma Ahuja. Otherwise, you can go for Dr. Joe Vitale, his classes, his workshop about Ho'oponopono. They are genuine. They are genuinely genuine. You will learn a lot. Now, advanced Ho'oponopono, some people call advanced Ho'oponopono a blend of Ho'oponopono plus some other healing modality. Let's say Reiki, let's say Lama Fira, let's say seven chakras, meditation, making it a meditation, in a meditation format. We are going to do that, talking to your inner child with the Ho'oponopono. That also we call advanced Ho'oponopono sometime. Please don't get nervous, don't get confused, don't get anxious, don't get stressed out. If you have any queries related to advanced Ho'oponopono, please let me know in the comment section. Please share this video to as many souls as you can, because this is very, very important. I just want this message to go to as many souls as it's possible, no matter wherever you are in this world. I make my videos deliberately in English so that other people can also understand, right? And I'm doing Ho'oponopono from quite a long time now. It's been 4 years now, on and off. And from last 2 years, it's been a part of my life. So like I'm breathing literally. You can see the effect on my skin, my face, my energies, my work, everything is changing. I connected with Osho while doing Ho'oponopono. So you can, I guess I will be doing Ho'oponopono till I'm going to breathe. Now, don't get obsessed with the idea of, if I'm not going to do Ho'oponopono, my whole life is finished. It's not like that. The universe is kind enough. Whenever you're going to do it, it will work. When you're not doing it, completely fine. That's completely fine. You don't have to be punish yourself for not doing it. It's completely fine. But do it. Our conscious mind, here the role of the conscious mind conscious energy is very, very good. Free will. Here I like free will very, very much. You have a free will to do it or not to do it. But once you are going to choose to do it, your whole life is going to completely shift to what it is meant to be. It's not going to be like what we want. It is going to be what it is meant to be as a soul, right? So I surrender. I am no longer manifesting anything in my life. It's just flowing. And the way it's flowing, it's very beautiful. I am doing whatever I feel is right for me, whatever makes me happy, without hurting or harming anybody. And I'm just going with the flow, and everything is flowing with me. And I'm just very, very happy in my life right now at this present moment. Self-love, full of self-love, full of gratitude, full of forgiveness, full of not giving a shit kind of attitude. I'm all love and light with a lot of boundaries. And you can see the changes and shifts in me from day first, from the first video I published on this channel and to till this day. And in the next coming days, I'm going to make sure I'm going to run this channel uh, and make this channel as visible as possible to all the people who are on their spiritual journey, because this is something that is definitely going to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very, very long time now, 7 to 8 years. Now it's ninth year, I guess, in the spiritual path. We are going to talk about my spiritual journey on a very deeper level, from zero to till this point. Someday, maybe live, maybe. I really don't have any idea. I just get intuition. I just feel like I should do something, and I just do that. Now, no longer I just plan my days or plan my videos or anything. I just do it whenever I feel like I should do it. Intuition. So please make sure you're going to share this video to as many people as possible, as many souls as possible. Whosoever are confused, whosoever are feeling left out in the cold, and they're not getting answers. You got it. You got me. You got this answer, right? And we're definitely going to do Ho'oponopono workshops and sessions, and I'm going to make sure you're going to get to the deeper levels, layers of this healing modality, because this is definitely a life-changing thing. Yeah. God bless you. Namaste. I'll see you very, very soon in the next video. And the next topic, I guess I will be taking the 7 chakras, when they are balanced, how we feel, and when they are imbalanced, how we feel. And then maybe the next guided meditation for you guys. So yeah, namaste. Bye-bye. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And stay happy. Okay. Bye-bye.